welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jenny. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel, and today is my December Walmart Wednesday. This is holiday edition, so I'm about to go in store and I am going to try on some holiday outfits, find some holiday goodies, and I'm so excited. A couple of things. Everything is linked down below in the description box, easily shoppable for you. Check it out. Also, check me out over on my social media channels. I've been sharing 12 days of holiday outfits. So fun. I've been sharing them on YouTube Shorts too, so check out my shorts if you haven't seen those. I do want to say a thank you to today's sponsor, the sponsor of today's video, which is Ana Luisa Jewelry. You guys know, I say this every time because you guys know, I absolutely love Ana Luisa. I work with them because I believe in them and because I actually wear their stuff every single day. And this year I got some Ana Luisa jewelry for my mom for Christmas. I'm so excited. I'm going to show a little video, a close-up of what I got her. I'm so excited. She was asking for jewelry and I was so excited to get it for her. I also got these pieces, these little twisted earrings. I'll show a close-up too. These are so good and so beautiful. They are elevating my style, and this is so on trend right now. This gold pieces are so on trend. I also bought this. I have it in silver from Ana Luisa. You guys saw it in my last Walmart Wednesday video. I absolutely love this. So all these pieces are so good. I'm also wearing an Ana Luisa ring. Here is a little close-up of the earrings I got my mom. I'm so excited. I have these in gold and she has been wanting silver, so I got these for her. And then this is a close-up of the earrings I'm wearing. So beautiful and so on trend. And then this classic necklace is just everything. You could get it in silver and gold. It's perfect and beautiful. I'm gonna link all of my pieces down below. I did want to let you guys know that right now you can get all your holiday gifts for all the ladies in your life at Ana Luisa for 35% off. So snag all your holiday gifts now for 35% off while you still can. I'm so excited about this. Couple reasons why I love Ana Luisa, and you guys know this already, but I just wanted to remind you, number one, humidity tested, strength tested. They have a guarantee because they will hold up. So good. Second reason I absolutely love them, free shipping all over the US, super affordable shipping everywhere else if you're not in the US. So that is a huge plus. The guarantee is a huge plus. Also, I love that the Ana Luisa pieces start at $39. So this is a great gift idea, super affordable. You can find something in your budget, so good. And I just love it. I also love that they have a mind for the environment. So many good things about Ana Luisa. I definitely think you can find a piece or two that would be a perfect gift or for yourself. I love Ana Luisa. Love, 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 love them. Can't say enough about them. So all that to say, check the description box down below for my link, my discount code, all of that stuff in the description box. Get 35% off. So excited for you guys. Gonna be a great Christmas. I absolutely love it. So all of that to say, if you are ready to see this Walmart Wednesday, then please keep watching. Okay, to start out, I found the cutest gingerbread houses. You guys, my kids love this kind of thing, and so when I saw them, I was like, have to snag one of these. They are so cute. They also have a ton of Christmas t-shirts, all kinds of fun, like Christmassy holiday t-shirts. These are super affordable, and I totally loved every single one of them. Last year we grabbed these. My kids loved them. They got them for Advent. They wore them all season. These are so adorable. I also found these, which I want. So these are on my Christmas list if anyone is shopping, LOL. I also loved the pajama section. You guys, I was in the pajama section for way too long. Like, it was awkward probably, but they have so many cute pajamas. These from Joyspun are so soft, you guys. Like, these might be the softest PJs ever, and they had tons of sizes still available. This Mary one was obviously my favorite. Look how cute that is, and they come with socks. They also had like your regular holiday type looking pajamas, like this one that says cheer, and then this one that says feeling festive. Don't you want this? It's so cute. I loved it. I also loved the other, like normally I don't like that kind of thing, but I loved the colors. I thought all of these were so amazing, you guys. They also have like their normal secret treasures, like mix and match type of thing, which I love. And I usually snag a couple of these every single year. They're super soft and super comfortable. And then they had these sets, perfect for gifts. These are, I think, by Joyspun. And then I found my favorite one. As you can see, I'm beelining towards it because it says cuddle season, and everybody needs that in their life. This cuddle season pajama set, so adorable, love it. They also have their super soft and stretchy pullover Christmas sweaters. This year, I thought they were so cute. I loved the sequins. There were sequins on several different sweaters, and I thought they were so good. Y'all, these are so stretchy and so soft. I liked every single one of them, so I had to show you all of them. Then I moved on to the No Boundaries section. How beautiful are these velvet and sequin tops? Oh, so beautiful. And then I went in the dressing room. This little top is a chenille top by No Boundaries. I paired underneath it one of the Time and True like Christmassy plaid tops. This was so cozy and so comfortable and so festive. I absolutely love it. I like having the shirt underneath it because this one's sort of like a more open knit. So I liked having the little plaid underneath it. And then I paired it with these jeans by Sofia Vergara. I'm in it too. These are the most amazing flare leg jeans, you guys. So good. They're super lightweight and stretchy, but I just absolutely loved the way they fit. And y'all, this is a total Jenny outfit for the holidays. Next, I snagged this sequin skirt. Again, I'm in store, so a lot of these things may not have your size online. Check your local store because they had a ton of sizes. And then this is just a little Time and True turtleneck. Super great for layering for outfits like this. So, so pretty. I absolutely love it. And it came in a ton of different colors as well and a ton of different sizes. But this skirt was so stretchy. I'm in a small here, and I have to say the small is too big. Like, you need to size down in this one for sure, but it is so pretty. Perfect for a holiday party, you guys. Sorry, I got a little blurry here, but this skirt is everything, and it's super stretchy, super comfortable. The tank top or the turtleneck is long, and it goes great underneath this. I have on Steve Madden shoes, or Madden Girl from Walmart. They're really, really cute, really, really tall. It's like a faux leather, and they're really great for all of your different holiday outfits. I absolutely loved this look. I grabbed another flannel. This one is the white. It's like a tartan plaid. So cute. And then these are Levi's jeans. So good. I left a little belly showing. But this is really, really classic, cute, easy outfit, you guys. I'm in a small in this one, and I was in a medium in the red plaid top. But I paired it here with these. These are also Madden Girl shoes as well. This is an adorable outfit, and you cannot go wrong with these tops because you can totally layer them with sweaters, which I think is so amazing, you guys. All right, next I moved on, kept the same jeans, but check out the sweater weather shirt. It's so adorable. I love the green with the pink. Pink is not in my color palette. I am an autumn, but I do love that it is just a little bit, so I totally felt like I could pull it off. This was so stretchy, you guys. This is one of their really, really stretchy pullovers. I'm in a medium here. That was the only size they had, but you guys, this is so adorable, so comfortable. These jeans are so comfortable. This outfit was definitely a winner, and how stretchy are those jeans? They are so, so good. I'm in a 4 regular. Next, I had this. I actually wore this here, so this is mine. I came with it, but this is a little girl's shirt. I just got an extra large, and it fits great, and it's so cute, and my daughter and I can match. But it's perfect for an ugly sweater if you don't really want to do ugly sweater, because I think it's not ugly at all. It is adorable and super soft, cozy, stretchy. So good. I'll link it down below. These are the shoes that I was wearing. These are the, it's Madden NYC. That's what it is. Madden NYC. And they came in like a different color as well. And then these came in black as well. And I love the square toe. They have a zipper on the side. This was just too cute and so fun. Holiday perfect. And totally forgot this one, sorry. This is by Time and True. It's a tunic length sort of ribbed sweater, but the sleeves are a different material. You guys, this was probably my favorite find. It's got a cowl neck. It's so incredibly soft. You need this in your life. No, you don't need it, but it's so good. I love the color. This is one of my favorite colors for the holidays. It's a green, almost like a turquoisey green. So beautiful, so soft. This one is a major winner, you guys. All right, you guys, that was my December holiday Walmart Wednesday. Super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing. You guys are the best. Don't forget to check the description box, check out Ana Luisa, snag all your beautiful holiday jewelry gifts. And that's everything. I will see you guys in my next video.